CBDT circular in our mind is circular. Earlier it was circular, it was like with the thought that circular means we have to go round and round, round and round. But that is not the case in the present today's world. Because now CBDT is coming up with this circular for clarification and not make it round and round, round and round for the taxpayers. This is only happening just because of the fact that CBDT of late, if you see in last recent years, has come up with lot of clarification by circulars only. It is just because of the fact, because of the more aggressiveness of the professional bodies and the trade association of which you are the members. All the honorable members who are present, the FATAPSI is one of the most eminent professional trade bodies which are making representation to the CBDT with the issues of the taxpayers, the members of the association, basis which only CBDT is providing the clarification. If you see, go back, earlier the CBDT was not coming up with clarification through circulars. To put the litigation on rest, CBDT is coming up with the clarification. How it is happening? It is just because of your membership, your discussion, your push to the CBDT for more and more clarification. With this, we will discuss as to the fact that what has happened in the year 2016, since January till now, what all new circular has come and what is its impact. My colleague Sumant will be taking through the presentation. Our presentation with respect to the CBDT circular is bifurcated into 3 levels. One is corporate tax, second is assessment, and the third is TDS. So all the circulars which has come recently, bifurcated into 3 baskets, we would be taking you through very lucidly so that, and you can raise the question well within the presentation while we make.